So now login also, page also we can validate in this way. So our intention is not to only get the title. We have to check whether title is correct or not, right? So that's done with the help of the title. Now, next is what? Next, what we have to do? We have to do the login first thing. So for in order to do the login, what are the things we can do? We have to inspect the element. Which in element? Email field we have to inspect, right? So how we can inspect the email field? So is there ID attribute is there? Yes, we have ID. Okay, so we have ID. So what we can do? We can go once the title is okay. See, just go by one step by step. Once title is correct, then only we have to do the login. If title is not correct, then we should not do the, we should not process further. So in which block we have to write our code, login wala code. Okay, I don't want to make it complex. So what I'm trying to do, I will keep it aside and we will make it separately. This development we will do separately. Okay, I will do it separately. Now we are going to do the login, right? So self dot driver, bus driver, don't take it as a bus driver. Driver means driver, you can give any name. Driver dot find element by ID. We have a ID. Where is that ID? Is that ID? Yes. If there is ID, I told you, if there is ID, go with the ID. If there is name, if ID is not there, name is there, go with the name. If both are not there, then go with the XPath, link test, CSS selector, whatever you want to do. So email driver dot find element, email element we found. What is this element? This element name is what? Email. See, naming convention should be right. You cannot give name like a B, C, D, E, F. In real time, it is not a valid point. It's an email field. So what kind of email? Email ID underscore text box. It's a text box, right? So text box. You can give the email underscore text box. So in that, what we have to pass? We have to pass the email ID, right? So email ID text box dot send keys, and here we have to pass this email ID, right? If I'm not wrong. So we can pass this send keys, and yes, and once the send keys is done, we are printing some logs also. So what we can do, see, right now we are writing the print statement, but it is also not an industrial quality of coding. We should write these things in some logger file so that every time we can grab these things, what happened at that moment, what happened at this moment, right? We can figure it out, what are the problem came into the picture. Make sense? Chalo. So now we are passing the email. Similarly, we have to pass the this also, right? Password wala field. So how we can pass? First thing, inspect the element, then perform the action. In the very first class, I told you automation is nothing but if you know these two things, identify the element and performing the action, your job is done. Not in fast, there is no R&D also. There is no kind of rocket science you have to launch. If you know these two things, then your job is smoothly will go. So first thing, let me identify this is password field first. So there is a password. Is there ID? Is there? Yes, we have ID. So I told you, if there is ID, then okay, let me know if my voice will break. I know my voice will break at this moment. So it's a very genuine problem in this area at this moment. We cannot do anything. Password, this is also ID, password ID, and this is what? Type is what? Password ID, password, type is password, right? It's not a text box. So you have to maintain this. Okay, so self dot driver dot find element by ID. We have ID, so we can go with the ID, and then with this password ID, password, we are going to perform send keys only. And what is that password? Can you tell me? Password is admin. Password is admin, and we are passing this admin. ठीक है. So how we'll get to know कि username has passed, means email ID has been passed? So we are capturing some log. Right now I am going to show you with the print statement, but later on I will display with the help of some beautiful logger file. Okay, don't worry. In case of Java, we have a log4j, but in case of Python, there is an inbuilt library. There is no separate library is coming. But in case of Java, there is a log4j separate library dependencies we have to install. But in case of Python, login is it itself is a library which is coming with the Python installation. No need to install separately. So now here you can say email entered. You can give any message, email entered. Okay. Similarly, once you are passing the password, then what you can say? Tell me. Print
Password entered.
password entered. Yes, password entered. Okay. Now let me execute these things and we'll see क्या क्या होता है. Oh, we haven't called click on this login button, right? We should click on the login. Okay, anyways, we are passing username and password, and after that it will close. Now it's done, and we are getting the message also. Okay, how we can ensure it's happened or not with this message: email entered, password entered. Right now, we have to click on the login button also, right? So how we can inspect the login button? This is the login button, right? So is there any id is there? No, id is not there. So how we can inspect? Can anyone help me to write the XPath for this login button?
Input at the
Yes,
rate of
good,
type equal to login.
cool.
Sorry, submit.
Input,
Double
okay.
slash
हाँ
input.
डबल स्लैश ही लिखा हूँ, वेट. हाँ बोलो.
Input type at the rate type
Okay, just a minute. हाँ, at the rate type
equal to login.
equal to login.
Sorry, that double single quotes login.
Type attribute, right? And
Uh,
attribute value is it login? No, it's a submit,
oh,
right?
sorry. Yeah, submit.
Good, no worries. Thank you. It's good practice. So now here 1 out of 1 matching nodes are there. You can go with that. Also, you can go with the text function also, right? There is a text function is also available. You can go with the text function. You can do R&D whatever you want to do. There is no hard and fast rule. Whatever I am saying, it's a Brahma Vani, no kind of thing. You can do whatever you want to do. But as I told you, if id is there, go with id. There is no hard and fast rule. Means you should not select any other element locator. If id is there, आंख बंद करके id select करो. ठीक है, चलो. Now what is this login button, right? So self, what is self here? Chalo, interview question. In between I am asking the question. Why I am asking the question? Just to revise. What is self here?
It is the keyword used to call the current object.
Who told self is the keyword in Python? There is no keyword such kind of thing in Python. Self is not a keyword. In case of self, instead of self, acha, what is keyword and what is identifier? Can you please tell me? What is the keyword? Keyword name can be changed? No, we cannot change the keyword name. Can we change the int function? No, we cannot change. But self name we can change. We can give A, B, C, D, whatever you want to do. This is the facility in Python, right? But in case of Java, this is a keyword. In case of Python, the self is not a keyword. Self is only, it's a construct that it is going to ensure कि if you are calling something with this keyword, sorry, with this name, self name, it is, will call current class object. That's all. Okay, driver dot find element by XPath, right? So you can give that XPath here. Okay, what is this XPath? Login button, right? So what we can do? Login under button underscore XPath, right? This is the XPath. That's what. And now, and you do one thing. Okay, I am going to do. I will show you right now. Login dot click. You can click on that. So it will click. So we are writing 2 line. We are wasting our 2 line. So instead of doing this thing, what we can do, we are going to remove these things. And it is that login button only. On top of this only, I am going to click this. Right? My 1 line got saved now. This line we no need to do. Understood? Have you understood this line or not? Similarly, here also we can do. Instead of writing the password, see, send keys, we are we are calling this send keys function on top of this function, right? This complete thing. So why we cannot remove this line? Why we cannot remove this line? Samjhna. Dot send key we can call here itself, and we can pass this password wala thing. Clear hai? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Chalo, cool. Edwin, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now let me execute this thing and we'll see whether we are able to do the login or not. So we are not doing anything, right? Inspecting element and performing the action. That's all. Our job is done. You feel, I become automation tester now. No, it's not kind of thing, right? Okay, anyways, login is done. Okay, let me open this URL. Once I will start the project discussion, you feel what we learned and what we are doing.
Why, sir? Completely different.
Yes, it is completely different, boss. So now we are clicking. Don't worry, if you have a basic knowledge, then it will be helpful. But I'm not saying it's completely different. Only we are doing modular way, structured manner. We are following some structured manner. That's all. We are structurizing the project. Chalo. So now we are in the home page. So we can log in, and then after login, we can click on this logout. Okay, our intention is that we have to click on this logout button. Just a minute. We have to click on this logout button. Can you see this logout button? Logout button. So we have to click on this logout button. How we can click? We have to inspect the element first, right? Control Shift C and inspect this logout. No worries. Logout. So there is XPath. Sorry, there is no XPath. Sorry, there is no ID. There is no name, and you can go with the link test. Link test because it's a linked list, right? So it is a link. With whatever thing will come with the href attribute, that is the link, right? So you can go with the link, but yeah, I told you go with the XPath. XPath will work. So we can do with the. Okay, can anyone tell me how we can write the XPath for this? Chalo, chalo.
A
It's your turn.
text.
Yes, good. That I was expecting. Text function, we can go with the text function equal to logout, right?
Yes.
Logout, no, this is capital L. So yes, we have how many matching nodes? We have one matching node. One matching node, right? So what we can do,
Yes.
similarly, once done login, then what we can do? Click on the login and then self dot driver dot find element by ID. No, by what? By XPath. And here we can pass this XPath and we have to click on this, right? So we can click on this. See, this is the beauty of Selenium. Selenium is giving the facility, this method. Who wrote this method? Someone wrote this method. You are going to call this method. That's all. So whenever we have to do the clicking, this is known as the API, beauty of API. Okay. And what is Selenium? Selenium is a standalone application. Okay. Means standalone. What do you mean by the standalone and web application? Can anyone tell me what is the difference between the standalone and web application? See, I am giving the extra thing so that in interview you will not feel kind of embarrassed or something, right? Any idea? Okay, no idea, no worries. Standalone application is that kind of application which will run in your system only. It will not in other system. Like Notepad, Wordpad, whatever things is coming with the Microsoft that are standalone application. It will run in one system. Web application host somewhere used by many people. That is known as the web application. That is not a standalone application. Clear? Hai? So Selenium is a kind of standalone application. So now people, what they are trying to do with the Selenium, just I am going to give the glimpse of high level agenda. Okay. They are going to expose this Selenium API on their cloud. Okay, and this click method they are calling from their server. Okay, so what will happen? So anyone want to automate their application like IRCTC, right? Have you seen IRCTC website? How much they apply some validation. If someone want to do the automation on the top of the IRCTC, they cannot do. You know why? Because whatever method you are calling of the Selenium, they kept inside of their server. So if you are going to call that function on top of the IRCTC website, then for sure they will block this kind of function to call on top of that application. So this is the benefit of that. So people are doing on their application. Especially for the banking application, especially for the IRCTC application, people are doing these things. So that's what this is a construct right now is making. Okay, anyways, once the login is done, what I'm trying to do, I'm giving the message like login successful. And once the logout is done, logout successfully. So all videos are uploaded in the YouTube also. You can go watch anytime. Now let me run this. And we'll see after login, logout should happen. But let's see whether it is happening or not. So yes. Oh, okay. What is the problem? Can anyone tell me?
Wrong email.
So
No,
two
no.
times of the
Two
email.
Yes, email enter 2 times so that it is not happening. So before entering the email ID, what we can do, okay. So what we can do, first call the clear function. Wait a minute. Email dot clear function, just call, oh sorry, clear function, it will clear and then pass this send keys.
Sir,
Similarly
here
for
also,
password.
sir, here also can we make it into single line, sir? Email ID.
Yeah, you can do. No one is going to oppose you, boss. You just try. I gave you all this idea. I cannot do the spoon feeding now. You have to do make your hand dirty. ठीक है. Chalo. For the password also we have to do the same thing, right? So yes, it's very hard then. Anyways, I will do that. Here we can write password underscore. It's ID, right? ID underscore text box. And yes, now we should not call from here. Pass ID text box dot clear and pass ID text box dot send keys admin. Any doubt till now? Any kind of?
No, sir.
No. चलो अब run करते, right? We were facing some issues, so we solved that and now we are trying to solve this. So always best practice, if you are sending an element, then clear the function. So now it cleared and passed the element. And now we are able to do the login. And now it is not happening. Okay, it happened login and logout successfully. Yeah, cool. So logout is also we are doing. Now, if we want to apply some kind of validation, the login will happen. Okay, you want to write? Okay. If you want to note down. Otherwise, I will, or else take a screenshot. Anything will be fine. If you want to note down, or anything, whatever you feel. Just give me 1 minute. 2 minutes I'm giving you. If you want to note down it.
Okay, sir.
Now, we are going to do the drag and drop wala concept. So in case of drag and drop, I will show you one application. What are the things we can do? just go to this application, Guru 99. It's a very famous website. Okay, so here we are going to keep it here. Okay, please select another. Debit account. Okay, so we have to drag this bank from here to there. So two things here is important. One is source, another is destination. So from where you want to drag and to where we have to drag. So this is my source. In my case, this is my source, and this is my destination. This is my. So I want to drag this thing from here to there. Make sense? So we have to identify two things. One is source element, another is destination element. So I'll create a separate file for that. And I guess I already wrote it, but no worries, I will write for you. Okay. Drag and drop. Okay. So yes, everything is same here also. So what I'm going to do, I'm just copying these things, right? And don't do copy also, right? So don't do copy. Okay, this time right now we are doing the copy paste, but yes, in later on we will directly call that function itself. Okay, open browser, browser will get open, Chrome, but this time URL will get changed because drag and drop wala feature is inside of Grooves 99, right? So we have to pass this URL here. Make sense? Any doubt? We are passing this URL now. Okay, now we have to identify the source. Which thing you want to pass? This to where? This to here. Oh, why it is not? This thing to here. Wait a minute. So bank I have to pass here. Yes. And amount date side. It is not written. I guess they made some dummy website. Okay, anyway, my job is to drag this bank to here. That's all. So we will inspect this element. First thing, bank source is this one, right? So from here to there we have to pass. So yes, what you can select text function. Tell me the XPath for this bank. Quick.
Double forward slash A.
Okay.
Inside that square bracket, text cut, text of comma. The value is button orange.
Okay, text is equal to bank. We can write, right?
Bank. Yes, a bank is
It is
there.
not
Yes,
coming. Okay, there is something space are there, right? Yes, now it is able to identify and one matching node. So this is my source XPath. So here we can write a source, and here driver dot, sorry, self driver dot find element, oh, by XPath, and here you can pass that XPath. That's all. This is my source, and now target. Here we can pass self dot driver dot find element. Okay, let me identify the target element. So we have to here we have to drag here, right? So what is this? Okay, let me refresh.
If we search by contain function, shall we write any word from that HTML tag, sir?
Yes, yes, we can do.
Like button also we can search also with contain function.
Yes, we can do. We can do.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we have to drag. I told you here is the IDs that I can see. So what we can do, self driver dot find element by ID, and here we can pass the ID, and this is my target, and In case of drag and drop, we do have action. We have to create a object for action class, and action class we have a method like drag and drop. Okay, so let me create that as well. So act is equal to action class. Act is equal to act. Okay, for that we have to import something, I guess. Yes, WebDriver action class. We have to import WebDriver action class object. So action chains, and here we have to pass the driver object. That's all. अच्छा, self dot driver. You can pass the self dot driver. ठीक है. These are the two things, and then act dot drag and drop. It will drag, and here we have to pass two things. One is source and targets. You can see the signature of the method, source comma target, and it will move these things. Okay. So yes, then I will make some sleep time dot sleep, and here I'll put the 5-second time delay, and open browser. It should not be a method name, is open browser, drag and drop. Drag and drop, and we can call this drag and drop function. Shall, if I'll execute this code, shall it run?
No,
So will
we are,
it run?
no,
Yes,
sir.
we have to call. So in shop, again in shop, sir, mobile are there, but haven't
Yes.
called. Customer not came. ठीक है. So class name also we can change here, and yeah. ठीक है guys, ठीक है. Object you can give. So how is the session going on? Are you able to understand? Are you feeling that we are learning something?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
This class little more there to learn.
Yes, I can understand. Now the things will get very interesting once the project section will get start. Okay.
Yeah.
Chalo, let me execute this code. Looks good. Chalo. So browser got open, browser should get maximized. Yes, browser should get maximized, and then it will pass the URL. Yes, Guru99 wala URL is getting passed, and then it will, okay. So now it should give, what is the error? I guess it's passed, right? I don't know. Yes, it passed. So it dragged the source into the target. So what I'm doing, I'm going to close. I'm not closing the window. Okay, and let me execute. When you guys having your dinner, it's a dinner time, right?
No problem, sir.
I don't know it's a problem or not. So now you can see it got drag and drop inside of this, right? So that's what status code is here, 0. So yeah, this is the thing. Drag and drop, dragging and dropping we had learned, and many things in action class. We have all those things, whatever mouse and keyboard related thing we are supposed to do, like mouse over and scrolling up, scrolling down, and right click. All those things we can do with the action chain class, guys. So tomorrow session will be on the top of this only. What are the things we can do, like right click, mouse over, and all those things we are going to do in tomorrow session. And it will take hardly 3 or 4 class, and then it will get completed. And tomorrow, sorry, tomorrow I will not be available, because tomorrow I told you we have another class on Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. So tomorrow will be not available. So Friday will be available. So please do the practice till now. So whatever things you can do, and if you have any doubt, you just watch my YouTube video. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Share
Thank
this
you.
video recording in
Yes.
Drive, sir.
It is recording, getting recorded, and it will upload in YouTube as well as in Drive. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
ठीक है. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Yeah, good night. For me, there is no good night right now. Another class is there.
Oh my God.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye, sir.